Hello guys, welcome back to another random hobby channel. I just woke up, so a shipment came. It's a 10 packs of Final Fantasy MTG boosters. Yeah, let's open up this one with my coffee and lunch. Oh, so sorry, walang masyadong content. Kakagaling lang ng duty. So this must contain. So may napansin ako. Bumili ulit ako ng another starter deck and another commander deck or Final Fantasy. So that's, and thanks for Games Island for this, not discounted but retail price. 9 drive phone 6. Uy, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Wait, 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Dokumentasyon importante. Open tayo ng isa habang magkakape. Noodles na lang tayo. Kakabili ng mga MTG packs. Pero pagsisisi talaga. Umorder na rin ako ng Riftbound sa kanilang website. Pero yung starter set lang. Ubos ang kanilang booster. Pero nagtanong na rin ako sa Games Island if may store allocation sila for Riftbound. So, Ishtola! Knights Blessed. Love it. Anime card agad ang bungad. Winverse Federation Center. Eject. Uy! Buster Sword! I love this set. Nice. Ambrosia White Heart na full art. Full art. Alternate art. Elixir. Medyo maserte tayo ngayon na. Ganda pala pag nagka-crack ka ng packs pag bagong gising. Galing ako night shift. Sagin. Face of the Sun Size Price. Dragon's Wyvern. Azamado Trailer. Gargantoad.